And I want to show you something here about the pressure cooker. You'll see that the rack is in there. This is what we have to do. Use the steaming rack. But notice, this is a very, very short rack. If we put this in the bottom of the cooker by itself, it's not lifted up terribly high. So if your pressure cooker came with a very narrow or short rack, do what I did. I have some extra ramekins upside down in there, and then the rack just fits in perfectly. And we're going to pour in water. The recipe says to use 2 cups of water in the bottom. You want to make sure you have enough so that you don't run out of water when you're steaming, especially on a long steam. And also, you don't want to have too much that it's up at the bottom of the ramekins. And again, we're shooting this here in Denver at high altitude. And I put a little more than 2 cups here to make sure we don't run out, because when steam escapes in dry atmosphere like it is here, you lose a lot more. So now we're going to put these in, not just any which way. We're going to put 3 in on the bottom. Now the next 3 can't go directly on top. Watch, we're going to put them so they're straddling, so that we can get them. If you put them right on top, you'll crush the ones below. So this way we have them straddling, and that's perfect.